Godlike! Launch attack!
Push!
Launch attack! Launch attack! Your team destroyed a turret!
For most of us, mobile phone is a part of our life. We use it for phone calls, messaging, browsing the internet, and playing online games. But I'm sure most of us have asked the question, how do these things send or receive data? When we send an information such as messages from our device, the data is converted into a digital signal which is represented by a series of ones and zeros. This data go to the antenna which transmit the signal in the form of electromagnetic waves. These waves are modulated by varying the wave characteristics such as the frequency, amplitude, phase, or combinations of these. Wi-Fi transmitters or cell towers pick up the modulated signals which establish a connection from your phone to the network. This method is very straightforward for one user transmitting the data. The problem arises when multiple users are trying to transmit data at the same time. This will lead to a collision or crosstalk on the signal that is being transmitted. That results to errors or failure to transmit or receive data. The solution is to use multiple access channeling protocols such as FDMA, TDMA, and CDMA that will allow multiple users to access a single cell tower simultaneously. The first of which is the Frequency Division Multiple Access or FDMA. It's achieved by dividing the available bandwidth into multiple user band channel that is separated by a guard band to avoid interference. Each user is given a frequency band that is exclusive for them to transmit the data. This technology is used in 1G cellular technology where each user is given a 30 kHz bandwidth that allows a transfer speed of 2.4 kilobits per second. Time Division Multiple Access or TDMA allow multiple users to share the full frequency spectrum by allocating different time slots for each station. In this protocol, each user will be given a time slot to transmit the signal to the channel, and after a user is done transmitting the data, other user will take turns transmitting their data at their given time slot. This technology is used in 2G system that allows a transfer speed of 50 kilobits per second. Code Division Multiple Access or CDMA is a technique in which a data signal is modulated by a code in the form of a high-frequency signal such as the Walls code. In this protocol, each user will have a unique code that is combined to their data. Multiple coded signals from different users are then transmitted simultaneously in the same frequency band, allowing the use of the full spectrum by different users at the same time. This technology is used in 3G system that allows transfer speed of 2 megabits per second. Orthogonal Frequency Division Multiple Access or OFDMA is a special type of FDMA where the full frequency spectrum is divided into sub-carriers that do not interfere with each other. This removes the need for guard bands, allowing for more users to access the available bandwidth. This technology is used in Wi-Fi and 4G systems that have a transfer speed of around 20 to 100 megabits per second, allowing for HD movie streaming, video calls, and online gaming. That leads us to what we have today, 5G. This technology also uses the OFDMA protocol but with improved technologies like beamforming, MIMO, and 256 QAM that packs more data in a single signal pulse, thus allowing for data rate of around 300 megabits per second to 2 gigabits per second. Wireless technology have come a long way from being inefficient and slow to a super fast, multiple access, and widespread coverage of data communication. So what's next in this ever-increasing technology? Perhaps only time will tell. And if you'll excuse me, I have an ongoing game to play.